Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to change the theme in Gmail. Okay, so let's get started. So let's try to open the Gmail. So once you open the Gmail, on the top right hand side here, you can see the gear symbol, that is settings. So click on settings option. So once you click on settings, click on see all settings. So once you select see all settings, on the right hand side, extreme right hand side here, you can see the themes. So click on themes option, and here you can select set theme. So once you select set theme, so here you can see pick your theme. So here you can see so many different themes option. On the bottom side also, if you just scroll down here, also you can see so many different theme option. Okay, so here you can select whether you want to select with the image or with the color. It's your choice. Okay, and this is the default Gmail theme, okay, which you are seeing right now. Okay, suppose if you want to change the theme to the dark mode, that is towards like a black, or the dark mode means you can just select the dark. And so here you can see the Gmail theme has been changed to the dark mode. Okay, so once you select that, you can just click on the save option. So that will change the theme to the dark mode. Okay, and again if you want to change means, again you can go to the set theme option, and you can just scroll down and you can change whichever color you want. Otherwise you want, if you like the default theme of the Gmail, you can just select the default theme option. Okay, so that will again get you back to the default theme option in the Gmail. Okay, so this is how you can change the theme in Gmail. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.